Hi guys, and thank you so much for joining. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create this device that is going to help you open doors without, using your hands, touching anything with your hands. This is perfect for this COVID situation. So first what we're going to do is we're going to find, of course, the tools, but the most important thing are plastic cards. I have done this using 2 cards, but best actually is to use 3 or 4 cards. So I'm using heat from the candle to help me cut the plastic a little easier. I'm sure you can do it without heating up your scissors, but it's just easier. First, creating this hole. And now I'm creating kind of like the bottom, almost like a 9 shape. And this is pretty good shape for the door opening, and the hole helps you hold while you're opening the door. So over here I did the same thing with the second card. I strongly suggest doing it with 3 or even 4 cards. It just makes it much stronger and much easier to open doors. Though 2 cards works pretty well too. I have been using it a lot. Over here I'm creating a hole so that it's easier to attach this device to the keys. It's almost like a keychain. To make it a little bit prettier and to join the cards together, I am using duct tape and taping it everywhere. And here's the result. Is it the prettiest thing I have ever done? No, absolutely not. But it's functional, it's cheap, well, it's free, and it helps me open the doors, and it also helps me press any button, including elevator buttons. Over here, I'm attaching it to the keys for easier use. And here is how it works. And just pull it down and the door opens. I hope this video was useful for you, and please subscribe, like and share, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.